New at 9, the number of coronavirus cases is on the rise across the country, with the total number of deaths at 9 people and the total number of cases well over 100. We have tips about the possibility of a case of the coronavirus here in town. Fox 14's Chelsea Jones joins us now to tell us what we know. Chelsea?
Sarah, as of right now, the speculation is all rumors. There are currently no coronavirus cases here in Monroe or in the state of Louisiana. Word is circulating of a case at one of the local hospitals, and we've reached out to the hospital and the Louisiana Department of Health, and they say they are not quarantining a patient or testing for the coronavirus. Now, this all comes a day after Governor Jabba Elwards says that the state is prepping for any potential cases. Now, if we were to get a case, testing for the virus would be done in Baton Rouge at the Public Health State Lab. Officials there say it takes about 4 hours to run the test, and results can be completed within a day.
You know, if you're at one of the four corners furthest away from the lab, all that transport time has to be taken into consideration. But certainly within 24 hours, we'd be able to get a result back from that test.
Officials say this test is intended for use with upper and lower respiratory specimens from someone who meets the CDC criteria for coronavirus testing. As health leaders wait for a coronavirus case, having the test in-state will help healing happen even faster. The president, though, is speaking out at the federal level, saying that he, too, is working for a cure and has been speaking to big box drug companies for help.
We're moving aggressively to accelerate the process of developing a vaccine. A lot of good things are happening, and they're happening very fast. I said, do me a favor, speed it up. Speed it up. And they will. They're working really hard and quick. We're moving at a maximum speed to develop the therapies, not only the vaccines, but the therapies. Therapies is sort of another word for cure.
Governor Edwards and the Department of Health want to make sure that everyone stays calm. We want to emphasize that at this time, there are no confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Louisiana or Monroe. Make sure that you're only getting your information from the Department of Health, and of course, we will update you if anything changes. In the Media Control Center, Chelsea Jones, Fox 14 News.